Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench. Rust. How do you get rid of rust? So I was cleaning up the second new in box Stanley No. 4 that was sitting back there on the shelf. And it had enough oxidation on it that you can now call it rust. So sadly, I've gotten rid of the rust, but you can see the pitting. Okay. Now, will it affect the use of the tool? No. Does it affect the value of the tool? Yes. It drops it half. You can see on the back of the plane blade, rust just eats away at the steel and the cast iron. So the rust had gotten in under, moisture got in under the wooden knob, causing rust. In there, underneath, probably did not have much Japanning or paint on there. And so the wooden knob is moist and moisture gets trapped in there and it rusts. The frog had rust down here on the screw and all through here where the Japanning or paint, I'm not sure what this is, was thin. It rusted through. Luckily, the mating surfaces were okay and the rest of the screw is okay. The lateral's okay. The yoke pin has some rust on it, but the yoke's good. Chip breaker was the better part. So I had to use drastic measures. I had to go to using rust-free. I don't like using it. It smells. You have to protect your hands, and you have to neutralize it. That's why I have the simple green here. I've never used simple green before, but I got a deal on some, so we're going to try to use it in the shop. I also mixed up my own batch of rust remover, similar to those jugs that you can buy in the store. I'm not going to mention the names, but there's two brands out there. And you put everything in there and you let it soak, but it costs you about $30. This costs me pennies. Okay? It's citric acid, baking soda, or washing soda, and water and soap. That's it. So luckily, the lever cap may just need a little bit of a polishing, but you can see where it's already gotten under and under the chrome or the nickel. So that'll get polished. The screw will get polished. All the other steel parts are in here. They'll soak. But that's about it. I'd love to hear what you like to do. So when you put your tools away at the end of the day, make sure there is no sawdust between your chip breaker and your blade. And if at all possible, take them apart, wipe them with some oil, and put them away oiled. Because you can see it, there is a rust line there now. Should be able to hone past it, but that's just another thing to do. I don't have this problem with my wooden body planes. Just keep the blade clean and sharp, and the rest of it's all wood. Head out to your workshop, check on your tools, get rid of the rust when it is just light oxidation, and keep your tools oiled and polished. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.